Now with the reaction to these moves and where we go from here, our friends Kim Forrest, Chief Investment Officer at Boca Capital Partners, and Mark Smith, Vice President and Portfolio Manager at UBS Wealth Management. Kim, starting with you. I mean, what a week, right? Up 500, down 500, down, whatever it is. How much of this, same question to you as I gave to Dom, do you think is just people selling to raise money in the face of either needing to or simply a little bit nervous about where these markets may be right now?
I absolutely agree with that. And actually, in talking with some of my peers on Wednesday, we figured it out because your super winners were being sold, which makes no sense because the ones that have reported, like Apple, they are doing really well. And looking into the future, and if you're a fundamental analyst like I am, you say, why are you selling this? And it's because, especially in the semis really got sold down earlier this week. And it's not because there's suddenly not a shortage for them, but it's because those were the winners. And if you had to shove some of the money towards the other side of the balance sheet there.
Yeah. You know, Mark, you're going to be sitting around the dinner table tonight, and you're going to be like, I thought I was going on to talk about healthcare, and the doggone anchor asked me about GameStop. Well, the doggone anchor is going to ask you about GameStop. And I guess the question, how do you make sense, or do you have to make sense of what's going on right now? And do you think it's a phenomenon which kind of came out of nowhere that can continue, or does it really just affect a smaller group of stocks that are heavily shorted, low liquidity, and easy to kind of muscle around?
Brian, I think you got it right. This is the cryptoization of Wall Street, and you're seeing that with a few names. It's not the whole, it's not all of the markets, but when you have cryptocurrencies going up and down 10, 20% for no reason at all, is it to wonder why you have these millennials going in stocks that have no customers, no revenue, not going to beat guidance anytime soon, and the stock's up 100% in a day. So this is what you're seeing. All the proliferation of cryptocurrencies, we don't know why it goes up or down. No one can explain to me on this broadcast why it does. And now you're seeing it leak into names that we all know. And a lot of the reason is because folks are following momentum, not fundamentals.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.